Hey guys, we're here again, and today we're going to be pulling some floats. You see the float right there? That looks like one of the ones that we're going to be pulling today. So, this is the last float that we captured in the last video. We said in part 1 of this video, well, my dad and his crew were hired to pull the floats. So, we're going to be pulling some floats. Today, me, my dad, and my sister are all going to be pulling some floats today. We're gonna have to wait for a little bit. Okay, so we waited a little. And so we're right next to the truck right there. This is my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hello. Hi, Dad.
We'll see how long she stays away.
Well, that's my dad for you. He's always hilarious. So, Dad, where are we going to be going?
We're going to be taking the floats. These are the clubs that we're in. This is our president. That's the other guy. That's another president. No, I'm just kidding. This is the president's wife.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait till she gets in. Hi, how you doing? This is my little boy. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to her. Look at her.
Hi. I'm recording. Oh. Well, we're going to be going soon, so let's wait.